Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are today at Craft Alive Mildura, and we've got Brett again with us. How are you this morning, Brett?
Yeah, good. It's a little brisk this morning, but the heaters are on.
Yes.
And we've got about 10 minutes until we get the doors open.
Definitely.
Pre-purchase tickets online, pre-book your classes online.
Yes.
Yours were nice and full yesterday.
They were. Yeah, 10,
Lots of
11,
people
1 and
coming
2
in.
people come and see me. And
Yep.
you're totally free to sit in at. Also, when you walk in, if you want to, haven't seen enough,
Yes.
come back out and get a multi-day pass.
That's
extra
it.
$5.
Oh, nice work. Yes, the multi-day
Yeah,
pass. If
yes.
you want to join us again tomorrow. Competition iPads all behind us here.
And we got all the prizes and everything up behind us. that you
Yeah,
can
the
win.
beautiful Bennett 33, the Horncraft chair, because as prize pack,
Yes.
Universal magazines, Kirkwood Pamper pack. I'm going to leave you to
You're
it.
gonna go.
Forget that. Get these guys on.
Let's
We'll see you
see.
soon.
I'm going to bring all these exhibitors through so you can see who can come and visit here in Mildura. Come on in. Who have we got first?
Hello, I'm Melinda from Scrapbooking and Craft, and we've got loads of laser cuts, and you can make something like this in some of our fantastic classes.
Wonderful. If you know your site number, let us know your site number too. Go for it.
Hi, we're from Kazaz and we're site number 54. We're showcasing the Gemini this weekend that can cut 8 layers of fabric in one go.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're all right. Come on in.
Hi, Jenny from Hillbilly Scrapping, Site 45. This is what you can do with boom gel. Beautiful work. You're going to make a canvas. Come and see us.
Come and see us. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Fleur from Little Desert Quilts and I'm on site 23. I'm doing demonstrations of stripology rules all day. Just come and see me and ask me how they work, and I'm going to show you how they work. We're going to save you time and money and make your patchworking much more accurate.
Perfect. Thank you.
Hi, Michelle from Snazzy Scrappin', Site 24. We've got lots of dies, stamps and embellishments.
Wonderful. Come on in.
Hi, Anne from Crystals and More. We've got meshwork demonstrations all day. We've got penny purse demonstrations. Anything you want to see, stand a lever.
Love the haircut. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Lisa from Hempick Crafts, and we've got 3
Come on, a bit
half-meat
closer.
pre-cuts
Yep.
for $20. Come on
Oh
down.
wow, 3 for 20. Come on in. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Kevin from Gift Best Craft Supplies. We have Ultra stamps, heartfelt stamps and colours, and we're site 82.
82.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Hi, I'm Connie from Turmeric, so we're number 57. I've got powder and capsules for aches and pains for our crafts.
So come and see you.
Come
yes,
see you.
definitely. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Kim Pick from Corner Craft Sewing Centre, and we're on stand 70. We've got scan and cut sewing machines, and we've got some lovely products from Steph Irma, who's a local South Australian fabric designer and pattern writer. Thank
Wonderful. Come on in. Here we go, Di.
Hi, I'm Di from the Quilt Basket, site number 72, and I've got some scrap bags, and they're $5.
Great for application, little things as well.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Thanks, Di. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Tina from Molly Bear on site number 58. I do quirky dolls and bears, so come on down and have a look.
Wonderful. Thank you. Come on in, Karen.
Hi, I'm Karen from Katie's Patchwork Packs. I specialise mainly in sophisticated products. This is one of our latest panels. Come and see me. I'd love to see you.
And you've got a class at 1 o'clock?
Got a class at 1 o'clock, yep.
Beautiful.
Thank you very
Wonderful.
much.
Come and book them in. Come on in. Here we go, Elva.
Hi, I'm Elva from Elite Gift Collection. I have 2 specialties here. One's my Easy Scarf, which has been back for 7 years now. This
Yes.
is the first time I've been back from Mildura.
Wonderful.
Also this year we have miniature gardens as well, and there you can make your own little log garden anytime throughout the year.
Come to
The
your
day.
site and
Yep.
you can make them there at her site. Wonderful. Come
All
on
right.
in. Here comes Kaz. Here we go.
Hey, how you going?
Good morning.
So I'm Cassandra for Every Sewer Needs, and I have what every sewer needs.
Yes.
So we've got embroidery kits, we've got beading kits, we've got linens, aiders,
Scissors,
rotary cutters,
needles.
scissors, needles, site 12.
Site 12.
See
Come
you
and see
later.
Kaz. You'll be there for a while looking at all the little trinkets. Come on in.
Hello, Jeanette from Just Crafts, stand 51. I've got all your Monica Poole needs covered and all of your Lisa Chandler needs covered.
Wonderful. All
Thank
right,
you.
we'll see you there. Come on in.
Julie, Site 20. Essential oils. Bush Essentials products, all made with essential oils and vegetable oils. And aroma pendants.
Wonderful.
Handmade by myself that contain a drop of essential oil in the back.
Wonderful. Oh, nice, nice. Come and see ya. Come on. Oh, here comes Hans. Here we go. Look, it's making
Hello,
him
good
look
morning.
strong with this sewing machine.
You hold that.
I get to. Oh, okay. I'll be the little.
And yeah, it's Hans Martini Know-How Sewing Essentials. We have quilting frames. You can put your own sewing machine on quilting frames and you can quilt around, and we do have a show special on this end, and we can have handles on the back side, so we operate a machine from front and back. We have 3 different machines now in the range.
Oh, yeah.
And a lot of different frames. Come
Yeah.
and tell
Yeah.
us.
Okay,
and
Hans'
come and see
time's
us.
up, so you need to go and see him up at his
We have
stand.
show specials.
Yeah.
We have
Time
threads.
to
We
go.
have
Right. Thanks, Hans. See ya. Next. Come on in. Who have we got here?
My name's Michael, yep, from Rockleaf Moss. We're going through Kokodama, we do terrariums and macrame
Lovely
plant
little
hangers.
plants, yeah.
Yeah, we've got some lovely plants. Let's
Yeah,
just bring
yeah,
that
go right in.
nice
And you've got
close.
some classes running throughout the
Yeah,
day.
classes all day long from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
And do your macrame and everything
yeah,
as well.
everything, yeah, lock it in.
Wonderful.
Get
So come
there.
and see them.
All
Great.
right.
Thank you. Well, that's just a great lineup of exhibitors we've got here at Craft Alive Mildura. And yes, you can come and see Hans and he'll talk your ear off. That's for sure. Follow me on the YouTube channel, guys, and make sure you click that bell so that you get any notifications of anything new that's coming up. There are little ones here you can see as well that if you've missed any of my videos, you can see them by clicking on the ones on the side here. So have a great weekend and happy sewing.